Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are given two spots A and B on the same horizontal level as the foot of a vertical monument MN as shown in this diagram. Okay, A is due west of N and B is due east of N. We are also given the angles of elevation of M from A and B respectively, which is 40 degrees and 54 degrees. And we are also given AB is 52. Find the length of BM. Okay. For this particular question, I'm going to highlight these two lines and this angle here, because then I can actually tap on our knowledge of sine rule to help us solve this particular problem. Yeah, so the very first step for my question part A is to let people know I need this angle A and B, which is 180 degrees minus away my 40 degree and my 54 degree, because this is a triangle, so this is the angle sum of triangle, which will give me 86 degree. Now that I know this is 86 degree, I will then be able to tap on my knowledge of sine rule. Okay, so sine rule states that BM over the sine 40 degree is equal to 52 over sine 86 degree. Yeah, so once I have this, I will then be able to find my BM pretty straightforward, because I just need to multiply sine 40 degrees on both sides. So this will be equals to this 52 over sine of 86 degree multiplying my sine 40 degree, and this will give me a value of 33.5066, which is to about 6 significant figures, followed by final answer for BM 33.5. And that will be my BM. So I'm going to just indicate here. Now that I know BM, the next question requires us to find the height of the monument, which is MN. So with this, then I will then need to look at this red color triangle, which I'm going to redraw this red color triangle out. So this is a special tip for everyone, that if it helps, you could actually just do a rough sketch of this red color triangle, and with this red color triangle I do have my 33.5066 and I have my 54 degrees here, and I'm required to find my MN. So I'm going to shift so that the focus is now on this. Yeah, so with Tua Kaso, what should I tap on? I will need to know my angle is 54. This will be my opposite side. and this is my hypo with O and H. I am going to be using my sine ratio to help us solve for this problem. Sine of 54 degrees is equals to opposite over my hypo. And therefore, to find my NN, I just need to multiply 33.50662 on both sides, and I will be able to get my answer for N, and 27.1074. This is to 6 significant figure, and final answer I'm going to leave it to 3 significant figures. Sorry. And with that, we have come to the end of this particular example. So if at any point you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to other problems.